Hello and welcome to Dotnet with Sikhen, and our today's topic is inheritance, the second pillar of object-oriented programming. So let's get started. What is inheritance? Inheritance in C# is the OOPS principle of reusing data or fields and the methods that works on that data from parent class into a child class. Or in another way, it is a process of inheriting data members and member functions from base class. So here there will be a child relationship. So inheritance is equal to reusability. So write once and use everywhere. It is a or an relationship, right? So for example, dog is an animal. So this is a you can say like it is a or an relationship. You can see one example here like animal. So this is the parent class, or you can say the base class, and these classes like dog, cat or other, these are the child classes, right? So this child class inherits from this animal class. So animal is the base class. So basically what we do here, we reuse the data member or member functions of animal to the child classes. So that is the inheritance. Now why it is required, right? So let's try to understand. Like imagine writing make, sound, eat, sleep methods 10 times for every animal, right? Like dog, cat. So it is actually a nightmare, right? And the concept is like don't repeat yourself. So in each and every class like dog, cat, we need to repeat these methods like make, sound, eat, sleep, right? So we should not repeat it. Yeah, so let's see the problem first. Like we have a cat class and it has two methods. One is the make sound, and here we have printed like cat is making sound, or this method eat, we have like cat is eating food, right? So there are two methods. And similarly, if we make another class, for example dog, then again we need to repeat this type of methods, for example make sound or eat, right? And in other classes also, for example lion or any other classes. So what we can do here, we use inheritance, and we can reuse these methods in the classes. So how we can solve this one, right? So inheritance is the solution. So the second oops pillar solve this by inheriting data and methods from base class. No more repeating codes. Okay, so take this example. So I have created one base class, that is the animal, and it has public property, that is the name, and we have two methods here. One is the make sound, and here we have written like name is making sound and the name is eating food, right, for this eat method. And similarly we have created small classes for dog, and we are inheriting it from animal, right? So dog is an animal, correct? And this is the constructor of the dog class, and we are assigning the name property of this animal one, right, to the name of the dog, correct? And in the same way we have for cat and lion here, and all the public properties or methods, right, will get inherited into the child classes. So this dog, cat, lion, these are all child classes, and all the methods of the animal class like make, sound or eat are available in this child class. And how can we call the methods using the child class? So again we need to create where a dog equal to new dog, right? So this new dog is or you can say like is an instance or is an object, and then you can call by the help of this reference variable the methods of the animal class. So dog dot eat and dog dot make sounds, right? So basically these methods are available in this child classes here, okay, because of the inheritance. So basically we are reusing the code. So what are the codes we have in animal class? We are reusing it in our child classes. So let's quickly go to the Visual Studio and look at these things in action. Okay, so I have created same class here, public class animal, and it has two methods like make sound and eat. And I have created different classes here, for example dog, and here you can see it is inheriting from animal one, right? And this is the constructor of the dog. And in the same way we have created one more class, that is the cat, and it is inheriting from animal, right? And in main method we have created object of dog class and object of cat class, but you can assign the base class reference variable to the object of the child class, right? So here this one is the object of dog class, that is the child class, and my dog is the reference of base class, right? So this is the reference variable, and and it indicates basically the dog is an animal, right? So base class reference can point to the object of child class, and by the help of this reference variable you can now call the make sound and it methods. And in the same way we have for cat also. Now let's run it again and see the result. Okay, so the dog is making sound, the dog is eating food, and then the cat is making sound, the cat is eating food, right? So this is what we have the result here. So inheritance we learned like this is used for the reusability purpose. So you need to write the code once and use it in multiple places. So here we have written the code in animal class, and we are using it in the dog as well as in the cat class, right? So yeah, this is okay. So let's put a breakpoint and run this, how it works, right? So okay, so let's put a breakpoint here and then look at the result, and similar way we can put a breakpoint to cat class also. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so if I press F10, then it goes to the dog one, and then we have this name variable which is from the animal class, right? So public members are inherited, or you can say are available in this dog class. So I'm setting the dog name here, so you can see the name is dog now, and then it goes to the make sound. So if I press F11, then it goes to the animal class, you can see, and we have already provided the value to this name one, so that is the dog, and here it is printing like dog is making sound, right? So the dog is making sound. And in the same way we have eat one, so if I press F11, then it goes to this place, and again we have the name dog. And similarly we can have for the cat also. So let's create a cat one. Now you can see it goes to this constructor, and I'm assigning the name to now cat, right? So now the name is cat, and if you go to this make sound, then again it will print like the cat is making sound, right? So in this way it works. I hope you understood this concept, and tomorrow we'll learn the next one, like the access modifier in inheritance, or something other things. So yeah, that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.